5 Dark Psychology. Tricks to secretly control anyone. Use wisely. Think if you had the power to control anyone the way you want, to convince your boss, make your friends agree with you, or even make a complete stranger dance to your tune. This is not magic. It's the darkest corner of psychology used by powerful people. And today you're about to learn it. But listen carefully. This is only for educational purposes. Because once you understand these tricks, your way of thinking may never be the same again. Let's begin. Trick number 5. The illusion of choice. People feel like they're in control, but real experts give them choices in such a way that they end up thinking exactly as you want. How? Imagine you want your friend to go out with you. If you say directly, "Let's go out," he might refuse. But if you give him options, "Bro, should we go out? Pizza Hut or Domino's?" Now the game changes. He feels like he's making the decision. But in reality, you've already limited his options. Whichever he chooses, the answer will still be yes. This is the exact technique that big brands, businesses, and politicians use. They give people the illusion of choice, but the real control always remains in their hands. But wait, because in the next trick, you'll learn how to make anyone say yes. Trick number 4. The yes ladder techniques. If you ask someone for a big favor directly, they'll likely say no. But if you make them say small yeses repeatedly, their brain becomes conditioned, and saying yes to the bigger request becomes much easier. Example, you want a promotion. If you directly tell your boss, "I deserve a promotion," he might say, "Not now, maybe next year." Instead, start small. "Sir, can I attend the leadership workshop? It will improve my skills." "Yes." "Sir, may I take on extra responsibilities for the team?" "Yes." Now, after 3 or 4 small yeses, when you finally ask for the promotion, your boss will find it much harder to say no. He'll feel like you've already proven your value. This is how salesmen, politicians, and leaders influence people. Train them to say yes to small things, then go for the big favor. Trick number 3. Pressing the guilt button. Humans are not always logical, but they are always emotional, and guilt is one of the strongest emotions you can use. If you ask someone directly, "Hey, can I borrow your car?" 90% will refuse. But if you remind them of their past debt to you, "Remember last time when I helped you out with 2,000 rupees? I always support you. Now I just need a small favor. Your car." That person will feel guilty for having taken help before, and it will be extremely difficult for them to refuse. Trick number 2. False memory planting. Our memories are not as perfect as we think. If you repeat a lie with confidence, the brain starts to believe it as truth. If you tell someone lie repeatedly so their mind will start believing it to be true, smart people use this weakness to rewrite reality. For example, a politician might repeatedly claim, "When unemployment was high, I personally got 5,000 people's jobs." Or, "Before our government, poverty was everywhere. We improved 70% of families' economic conditions." By repeating these statements with confidence, people begin to believe them, even without fact-checking. That's the dangerous power of false memory planting. Trick number: the deep power of silence. The less you speak, the more control you gain. Psychology proves there is real power in silence. People think the one speaking is powerful, but in reality, the one who knows how to listen and stay silent controls the situation. Why? Because silence creates fear, discomfort, and insecurity. Humans naturally want to fill awkward silence by talking, revealing things they normally wouldn't. Interrogation. Example: if you suspect your friend of stealing, don't ask, "Did you steal?" He'll deny it. Instead say, "I know everything," and then stay silent. Soon his nervousness will make him confess. Sales example: instead of asking, "Can I get a 30% discount?" which invites a no, say, "30% discount will apply, right?" and stay silent. The other person will feel pressured to agree. Debate. Example: if someone argues endlessly, don't fight back. Just look into their eyes and smile silently. They'll start doubting their own point. The less you speak, the more powerful your presence becomes. These are 5 dark psychology tricks powerful people use to control and influence without others even realizing it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more powerful psychology content that can change the way you see the world.